All right, guys, it's time I introduce you to my greatest project ever. Now, this here is my meth mobile. It's fucking stacked full of fun stuff. I'm literally never leaving this thing. It has everything I've ever needed in life. I mean, holy shit, it even got a damn radio. What else do you need in life?
Now it's time we get wild. I'm gonna cook up something nobody's seen before. It's time we cook up some fresh, funky foot fungus. We need to cook.
All right, first we start with the obvious first ingredient, a whole bottle of cough syrup.
Then we gotta add some essential.
Now, some of y'all may remember Scooter.
Well, this here is one of his little eyeballs going into the pot. I still got some of these bitches eating my bottom. And let's add one into the pot for some exotic flavor.
This next ingredient will deliver some nice texture. Just had to rip some hair off of my arm. This next addition adds all the fun flavor. Absolute classic. Now, as you can see here, this is a Lil Foot. Let's just say I got back in contact with Larry and bought Lil Fuck back off of him for this special ingredient. Now for the final ingredient, this special little shroom that's been growing on my toe. Just gonna cut that off of my little toe here.
Now we gotta blend this shit up into some nice combination of goodness.
Now we just dance party until it's done.
Now we gotta cook the shit. While that cooks, I want to remind your ass that this is some random family camper I found while working as a ranger turned into a pro business.
All right, it's done. Here we are.
Let's give this funky foot fungus a whirl.
God damn, I never felt this shit before. My ear are feeling off.
I say jack, catch, three, four, yeah.
Oh, boy.
FDR. Cake. I am Bigoo. Lift, poof, poof, poof. Ra, 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 ra.